Can a real estate attorney draft a real estate contract? Real estate transactions are significant milestones in many people's lives, often involving substantial financial investments. In the realm of real estate law, understanding the basics is essential. At the heart of these transactions lies the real estate contract, a crucial document outlining the terms and conditions of the property transfer. While many wonder about the necessity of legal expertise in this process, the question arises: can a Brooklyn real estate attorney draft a real estate contract? Let's delve into this topic and explore the vital role attorneys play in ensuring smooth and legally sound property transactions. The legal landscape of real estate transactions, New York State requirements. In New York, the involvement of attorneys in real estate transactions isn't just a recommendation, it's a legal requirement. This mandate stems from the complex nature of property law and the significant financial stakes involved. New York's approach recognizes that real estate deals often require legal expertise beyond what real estate agents can provide. Comparison with other states. While New York mandates attorney involvement, practices vary across the United States. However, even in states where it's not legally required, having a real estate lawyer draft or review your real estate contract offers substantial benefits. Risk mitigation. Legal compliance with real estate law is crucial for all parties involved. Assurance and personalized protection of your interests. The role of real estate attorneys in contract drafting. Expertise in legal terminology and provisions. Real estate attorneys bring invaluable expertise to the table when drafting contracts. They navigate the complexities of real estate law and ensure the best interest of their clients. They interpret complex legal jargon, ensure clarity and enforceability of contract terms, and translate legal concepts into understandable language for clients. Customization of contracts. Every real estate transaction is unique, and attorneys excel at tailoring contracts to specific needs. They address special circumstances or contingencies, incorporate unique terms agreed upon by parties, and ensure the contract reflects the true intentions of all involved. Risk mitigation and client protection. Perhaps the most crucial role of attorneys in contract drafting is protecting their clients' interests, identifying potential legal pitfalls, including protective clauses, and advising on the implications of various contract terms. Real estate agents versus attorneys, understanding the limitations. Legal boundaries for real estate agents. While real estate agents play a vital role in property transactions, they face strict limitations when it comes to legal matters. Real estate agents can assist in navigating the ins and outs of buying or selling property. Real estate agents cannot use standard form contracts to draft custom legal documents. They can fill in blanks on pre-approved forms related to the lease agreement, but they cannot provide legal advice. They can facilitate negotiations, but they cannot interpret complex legal terms. When to involve an attorney. Certain situations necessitate the expertise of a real estate attorney. Complex transactions involving multiple parties, deals with unique contingencies or special conditions, and when standard forms don't adequately cover the transaction's specifics. Contact Neil H. Kupferman, ESQ, PC for all your real estate law needs. The contract drafting process. Initial consultation and information gathering. The process begins with a thorough consultation where the attorney meets with clients to understand transaction details, collects necessary documents and information, and discusses client goals and concerns. Drafting and review. With information in hand, the attorney creates the initial contract draft. Then the attorney reviews the draft with the client, explaining key terms. Revisions are made based on client feedback. Negotiation and finalization. The attorney then handles negotiations with opposing parties. Revisions are made to the contract as needed. Finally, the attorney finalizes the terms and conditions of the real estate purchase to everyone's satisfaction. Key components of a real estate contract. Essential contract elements. A well-drafted real estate contract includes a detailed property description, the purchase price, and payment terms. Contingencies in a real estate purchase can significantly impact the transaction. And of course, deadlines. Financing terms, closing details, and the possession date are also crucial. Legal protections and disclosures. Attorneys ensure the inclusion of crucial protective elements such as title insurance requirements, property condition disclosures, warranties and representations, and dispute resolution mechanisms. Benefits of having an attorney draft your real estate contract. Legal compliance and risk management. Attorneys provide assurance of adherence to state and local laws, minimization of legal risks and potential disputes, and expert navigation of complex legal requirements. Personalized legal strategy. With an attorney, you get contracts tailored to your individual needs, addressing unique circumstances in your transaction, and strategic advice on negotiation points. New York-specific considerations. Title search importance. In New York, attorneys play a crucial role in conducting title searches. This process is essential to verify the seller's right to transfer the real property in question, identify any existing liens or encumbrances, and ensure a clear title for the buyer. New York attorneys often use standardized forms, such as the New York State Bar Association's Residential Contract of Sale. These forms provide a solid foundation, which attorneys can then customize to meet specific transaction needs. A unique feature in many New York real estate contracts is the attorney approval contingency. This clause allows either party's attorney to cancel the contract within a specified time frame, usually 3 to 5 days, propose changes to the contract terms, and ensure that both parties have the opportunity for legal review before the contract becomes binding. Can I use a template contract instead of hiring an attorney? How much does it cost to have a real estate lawyer draft a real estate contract? Costs vary, but consider it an investment in protecting your significant real estate transaction. What's the difference between a purchase agreement and a contract of sale? Can a real estate attorney represent both the buyer and seller? How long does it typically take for a real estate lawyer to draft a real estate contract? What happens if there's a dispute after the contract is signed? Are there any situations where I don't need an attorney for a real estate transaction? In the complex world of real estate transactions, especially in New York, the expertise of a qualified real estate lawyer in drafting contracts is invaluable. From ensuring legal compliance to protecting your interests through title searches and attorney approval contingencies, a real estate attorney brings essential skills to the table. While practices may vary by location, the benefits of professional legal guidance in crafting your real estate contract are universal, and in New York they're an integral part of the process. For expert legal guidance in drafting your real estate contract, contact Neil H. Kupferman, ESQ, PC at +1 718 768 3046. Our experienced team is ready to protect your interests and ensure a smooth property transaction in compliance with New York state laws.